This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make elderflower tea. First, you'll need to carefully identify elderflower blossoms in their natural habitat. Look for fully open, fragrant flowers, typically found on elder trees. Gather about 10 to 15 fresh heads, ensuring they are free from any pesticides. This initial step is crucial for a delicious and safe brew. Once you have your elderflower heads, it's time for preparation. Gently shake each blossom to dislodge any tiny insects or debris. It's important not to wash the flowers, as this removes the valuable pollen that contributes to the tea's unique flavor. Next, carefully separate the delicate flowers from any green stems or leaves. Now, let's brew your tea. Place the prepared elderflowers into a heat-proof mug or teapot. Pour 8 ounces of hot, but not boiling, water over the blossoms. Allow the tea to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Once steeped, use a fine mesh strainer to remove the flowers, leaving you with a clear, fragrant liquid. Your delicious elderflower tea is now ready to enjoy. You can sweeten it with a touch of honey or your favorite natural sweetener if you prefer. For an extra refreshing twist, consider adding a thin slice of lemon. This tea is wonderful served warm on a cool day or chilled over ice during warmer weather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.